$1 billion सीक्रेट्स, मिलियंस भी हो सकता था, बट मिलियंस का आजकल वैल्यू नहीं है। एक 20 लाख का फ्लैट 20 साल पहले खरीदा था, आज $1 मिलियन का है। बट दोज आर कॉल्ड हाउस मिलियनियर। व्हाट? हाउस मिलियनियर। नाउ हाउस मिलियनियर कैन नॉट हैव ए ग्रेट लाइफ। वो ग्रेट लाइफ के लिए उसको हाउस बेचना पड़ेगा। सो टू हैव ए ग्रेट लाइफ यू गॉट टू हैव ए पैसिव इनकम। Now, yes. So asset appreciation skyrockets your net worth. Asset appreciation skyrockets your net worth. That 20 lakh house becomes a $1 million house. But passive income skyrockets your lifestyle. जो पैसा पैसे से आता है उसको खर्चने में मजा आता है, मेहनत करके मजा नहीं आता है। Now, everybody's got a perspective, and the reality is what meaning we give it. जो कुछ होता है उसको जिस नज़र से हम देखते हैं वो हमारी रियलिटी है। Now, for example, if my color of the glasses is blue, what will I see?
Everything blue.
Everything blue. If it's green, everything green. So what my personal philosophy in life is that I wear the awesomeness glasses.
Sorry?
Awesomeness glasses.
Everything should be awesome, really. Yeah.
So the person I meet in my life is awesome unless he proves me wrong. I am not awesome. The situation I face in life is awesome. You all are awesome. This workshop is awesome.
You are awesome.
And I am awesome. Thank you. So today we decide that whatever we're going to learn, and this day is going to be awesome, you're going to meet awesome people and you're going to learn awesome things, right?
Yes. Right.
All right, give a high five to the person next to you, say you are awesome. See, there are 7.6 billion realities in the world. हर एक की अपनी अपनी है. Everyone is giving his own meaning to the things going around. एक गुब्बारा होता है ना, उसमें आप हवा डालिए एक लिमिट तक चलेगा और ज़्यादा डालोगे फट जाएगा। गुब्बारे का साइज बड़ा होगा, ज़्यादा हवा लेगा, ज़्यादा गैस लेगा। Similarly, I have seen lot of people have that blockages about money. One of the person I know, he had a wonderful job, good earnings, but always broke. वो जहाँ इन्वेस्ट करे वो शेयर घुस जाता था, जो प्रॉपर्टी में इन्वेस्ट करे वो बनती नहीं थी। He came to me for mentoring. Lot of people come to me and finally उसका blockages क्या निकला जाके कि उसकी माँ बोलती थी पैसे वाले बेईमान होते हैं। पैसे ज़्यादा होने से मुसीबतें आती हैं, बीमारियाँ आती हैं, पैसा मुसीबत की जड़ है। That was the belief he was grown. तो कहीं ना कहीं जब उसके पास पैसा ज़्यादा आता था तो उसको माइंडसेट में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती थी कि इसको कहीं ना कहीं बर्बाद करना है, और उसके पास सिचुएशन भी वैसी आती थी कि वो पैसा बर्बाद हो। So that was the whole session. Now we come to the ideas. How to generate the ideas. So you need to have right knowledge, right view, and the right vehicle. So the right vehicle is what you have to be in the right business. If it is, there's a right vehicle is Ferrari, then there is Ambassador, and in between lot of other things, or a race car. And right vehicle has a very major role. When we started garment export, the Europeans and Americans were hungry. Those days, if someone could pick up a bag full of clothes from Janpath, would used to make a lot of money, and that's how the business started. And when we started, people were becoming rich in 1 year, 2 years. So that was the incentive I told you was about me. So 50% was the timing was right, the business was right. Business acumen बाद में आया. That 25-year-old didn't have that business acumen. जोश था, सपने थे, पैशन था, लेकिन बिजनेस एक्यूमेंट नहीं था। बट द राइट टाइम होने की वजह से we could make a lot of money, and by the age of 35 we were multi-millionaires, and we had IPO. So it's important to identify timing in the business. When the Bill Gates started, the timing was right for, you saw in the journal, the electronic journal, computer journal, that Altair has launched a computer. So that his partner, Tom Allen, and he himself took a ticket, went to the company and signed up their first software deal. $20,000 का चेक लेके आए. So the timing was right. Today the Microsoft जहाँ पे है, one of our buyer had a office on Broadway, New York. He became very, very rich. So he was telling me his story. He was very drunk that day. So his name was लच्छू. हाँ, अमेरिका में हो गया वो टॉम टिम जो हो जाते हैं. मैं टिम, भाई तू हाउ कम यू बिकेम सो रिच? कहाँ से आया तू? बोला मैं हांगकांग में वो कपड़ा नापता था. दुकान पे लड़के होते हैं ना, इसको 5 यार्ड दे दो, 10 यार्ड दे दो. एंड इसे जब मुझे यॉर्निंग होती थी, मेरा बॉस एक थप्पड़ मारता था, कितने पराठे खाए हैं? तो 3 पराठे में 3 थप्पड़ लगते थे. That person became multi-millionaire because the timing was right. He came into clothing business. So that's what right timing can do to you, and that's become 50% of reason for your success. Now there are two things: pleasure and pain. Pleasure and pain. If someone has got 5 lakh rupees and he has cancer, the choice is he wants to take a cruise or कैंसर के लिए मेडिसिन ले. क्या करेगा? मेडिसिन लेगा. पर कोई मेरे के जैसा हो तो कहेगा यार जाना तो है, चल क्रूज ले लेते. तो someone like we will think यार इससे कैंसर से कौन लड़ेगा, चल क्रूज ले लेते हैं, जो जीना है ठीक से जी लो. But the thing is, when VCs in the business, जो business को funding के लिए देखते हैं, they say what problem you are solving? Are you solving pain? Aspirin है या vitamin है, क्या बेच रहे हो? If someone has got 10 rupees in the pocket, if he wants to buy, he has a headache, he'll buy aspirin or he'll buy vitamin. He'll buy aspirin. So that's the first thing we have to look, and we have to look for problems. ये आइडिया की बात हो रही है, आइडिया कहाँ से आते हैं? So see the problems around. See what? Not for opportunities. Opportunities are results. We have to see the problems, and there are plenty of problems. सुबह दिन शुरू करो, रात तक you can identify hundreds and thousands of problems which can be solved, and that's where the business idea lies. Yes, Kamlesh.
Never a problem. It's always a situation. Problem is a very negative word. When there is a situation, everybody will solve.
आप थोड़े philosophical हो रहे हो. Public का देखो. It's for you, can be a situation, but for public, like Urban Clap. Now, such a huge business model, $100 million funding, and almost touching $600-700 million valuation. It was a huge problem to call electrician, plumber, all this unorganized sector. Sunday आ रहे हैं, Saturday आ रहे हैं, 11 बजे आएंगे, 2 बजे आएंगे. I mean, headache. And today it's so organized through the app. You order the time slot, you book, the person will call you, I'm coming, and he'll request you, give me 5-star sir, service अच्छा दिया. And if something goes wrong, you get your refund in 10 minutes once you lodge a complaint. And you don't have to call, do nothing. Everything on the app. Are they solving some problem?
Ola Uber is a result of local country.
Yeah, it's a huge problem to get a cab. We have seen वो काली पीली एम्बेसडर टैक्सी 11 बजे के बाद रिटर्न भाड़ा लेंगी, जाएंगे नहीं जाएंगे, किसी को हार्ट अटैक हो रहा है तो भाई चल पड़, बाप को हार्ट अटैक हुआ यार. Those are the days.
Just
हाँ. Christopher Reeves, that Superman, उसको पैरालिसिस हुआ था, fell from the house, and a kid invented bells for the horse riders. तो ये जो गाड़ियां आजकल स्टार्ट हो जाती हैं, not the door open, start the high end cars, Mercedes, BMW, you can start before you reach the car. AC वैसे चालू हो जाएगा. Who invented that? Guess? Mafia. उनके बंदे बम से उड़ रहे थे. गाड़ी स्टार्ट करो, गाड़ी उड़ गई. फिल्म में देखा ना? So they started this and invented this कि यार गाड़ी दूर से स्टार्ट कर लो, बम होगा तो फट जाएगी. तो इंडियन एयरलाइन होती थी ना, हम लोग 20-20 मिनट, आधा घंटा में 45 मिनट्स होल्ड किया हुआ है. और एक बोरिंग म्यूजिक बजे जा रहा है. अरे उसकी जगह भाई एक दबाओ तो जैज सुनो, 2 किशोर कुमार, 3 रफ़ी, 4 पे सुरेश शर्मानी का लेक्चर सुन लो. कुछ तो होना चाहिए उसमें इन्वेंशन. सो एक टिंग टिंग टिंग, यू आर इन द क्यू चलते रहता था. So we have to look for problem all the time. जितना ज़्यादा hassle, there is more money. जहाँ ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होगा. And let me tell you one more thing, very very interesting. और आज अगर ये चीज ले जाओगे ना, you will make millions from this thing only. After problem, there is no problem. Now how I explain this? 9/11 हुआ था, we were in New York. Stock market was closed for the first time for 4 days in the history of New York Stock Exchange. 20% down every stock, 50% down all hospitality and airline stocks. Within a month everything came back. Within a month. Maggie का fiasco याद है?
Yes.
Nestle? Stock came down from 7,500 to 3,500. Then it went to 13,000. एक साल में वापस 7.5 हुआ, फिर 11.5 हुआ, फिर 13.5 हुआ. अभी 10,000 कुछ है. Because the markets are down. It was 20% down. And the latest thing going on is Yes Bank. They have the problem of their chairman Rana Kapoor. उसका renew नहीं हो रहा है. And the stock came from 450 to 186. And I was personally buying it every day. Woman knows it. Every day. The problem, there is no problem. This will go back to 400 rupees. आप सब यहाँ बैठे हो, 1 साल बाद बात करेंगे. How you can double your money in short time. उत्तराखंड में फ्लड आए, प्रॉपर्टी went down like 20% पे आ गई. No one was buying property in Uttarakhand. Back. So after problem? No. After problem? No. टेक्सास में 1980 में बहुत क्राइसिस आए थे एंड रियल एस्टेट केम डाउन अगेन. 80% वैल्यू डाउन हुई थी एंड पीपल मेड लोड्स ऑफ मनी. John D. Rockefeller made his maximum money in 1929 deep recession, जिसमें बर्बादी हो गई थी. Property became meat and currency became कागज. That time he made loads of money. So whenever you see a big problem in any industry, any city, any country, any company, see the opportunity there. As long as the fundamentals are right.